Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY hair rinse that will help to grow your hair as well as regrow your hair after hair loss. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first ingredient that you're going to need for this hair rinse is going to be a 1/4 cup of parsley. And parsley is a popular remedy used at home that contains antioxidants that helps to control hair fall and promote healthier and stronger hair by regulating the TGF beta 1 gene. Also, parsley will help to rejuvenate the scalp and also reduce any itchiness and dryness associated with dandruff. Next, you're going to need a cup of bay leaves, and bay leaves are loaded with antioxidants that help to soften your hair as well as make it shiny. Also, bay leaves help to fight bacterial and fungal infections that can be found on the scalp. Also, bay leaves can boost hair growth and also strengthen your hair follicles. And the third ingredient is going to be a 1/4 cup of thyme. Thyme can help promote hair growth by stimulating the scalp and actively preventing hair loss. Thyme has also been found to help in treating alopecia. The last ingredient is going to be 2 cups of hot water. So I'm just going to grab a bowl and put all of my ingredients into that bowl. You can also take all these ingredients and put them into a pot and then put it on the stove and let it boil for about 20 minutes. After I've mixed all my ingredients together, I'm just going to place a lid over the bowl and I'm just going to wait till the hot water cools down. So after about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, this is what the rinse looks like, and I'm just going to use a cheesecloth to strain the rinse. When it comes to the storage of this tea rinse, I would suggest placing it into the refrigerator when not in use. It should last 2 to 3 weeks. If you want it to last longer than that, you could definitely place it into the freezer and it should last about 6 to 8 months. Now I'm just going to place the tea rinse into a spray bottle for easier application. So with this tea rinse, you want to apply it all over your hair from root to ends and just let it sit on your hair for about 20 to 30 minutes and then follow up with your favorite shampoo. You can also use this tea rinse as a leave-in, so you'll just spray it all over your hair from root to ends and then follow up with your favorite hair oil or butter to seal in the moisture. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.